Hello mga ka-gorgeous! Welcome back to my vlog! Ayan! Happy New Year sa inyong lahat dyan! So for today's video mga ka-gorgeous, we're both going, my husband and I, over at the airport sa 6th floor. So that's where we're gonna watch the fireworks. So right now it's about 10:27 p.m. So, konting-konti na lang hihintayin and then 2024 na! Yan! Let's go! Let's go! Yan na si hubby. Pumasok na siya sa kotse. O, diba? Okay. I'll see you guys! There you go mga ka-gorgeous, we're already here sa 6th floor here at the airport where my husband works. So, dito kami ngayon, naghihintay kami ng paputok doon. Diba kitang-kita rito yung ano, that's the strip. Actually, you can see all the fireworks and everything. So, but we're gonna find out, okay, if talagang makikita natin ng gusto. So, it's impossible naman na hindi kasi yan talagang strip. So, okay guys. So, right now is almost 10 minutes to 11. Bali, isang oras na lang hihintay natin. Magpupunto na sila doon. Mamaya na lang, we're gonna watch the fireworks. Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. So anyway, we're gonna go downstairs first. Sa baba, sa airport mismo. So we can get comfortable and everything. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Let's go to the airport. Nandito na tayo sa airport. Ayan. Diba? Look at guys. Look at guys. Tayo sa airport na. Ayan. Let's get comfortable before the fireworks starts. Walang katao-tao dito. O diba? No people around here. Ayun yung mga gates. So it's a good thing that we came this way to watch the fireworks because we've been wanting to come over here like 2 years now. So we always forget, and last year we actually didn't do anything because we had to go to work the next day, so I slept. 2 years ago, we were over at Dean Martin. That's where we actually watched the fireworks. So now at least we're here, and just in case you need to use the restroom, we have a restroom here, diba? So, right?
Right.
Going down. So now we're back here sa rooftop. Oh, okay. So we're back to the rooftop, to 6th floor. And I don't know what time is it right now. O, diba? Konting oras na lang talaga. Then we're gonna be able to see the fireworks. Yeah, and I'll talk to you later. Countdown. Ayan guys, tapos na. Ang daming tao pala dito. Yeah, I didn't think it's gonna be a lot of people that's coming up over here. So I guess this is our first time here na pumunta dito sa 6th floor ng airport. So ayan, nag-aalisa na yung mga tao. So
a few moments later.
So there you go mga gorgeous. We just got home from the airport. I didn't think that there's gonna be a lot of people over there because that was my first time to be up there to watch the fireworks. So happy New Year sa ating lahat. It's 2024, o diba? So I hope you all enjoy the fireworks and everything. Mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Mega love shoutout sa Team Magaganda, Team Bully, Team Luster, and of course, mega love shoutout sa aking mga members. Ayan, happy New Year sa inyong lahat at sa ating lahat. So anyway, if you like my video and if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more of my upcoming videos. I will talk to you later. Have a nice day and have an awesome New Year. Ayan. I will talk to you later. Have an awesome day, guys.